Hi guys, it's Wednesday, so we're halfway through my wife's holiday. So I've only got to look after myself for a few more days. So today we're going to have a pizza. Goodfellas. Pepperoni. Don't know what that noise was. Okay, it should be fairly straightforward. Cooking instructions. Heat the oven. Fan assisted oven 180. That's 180. Remove all the packaging, recycle the carton, spread out all the toppings. Cook directly on top oven shelf, no baking tray. (15 to 17 minutes). Right, set that for 17. Okay, that looks reasonably well spread out. Right, we'll come back in 17 minutes. Time's up. Right, you can use a glove. Oh, might have to. Is that stuck? No, that's all right. Well, that's well cooked. It's a bit of a hard crust. Oh dear me. I prefer a softer crust than that. I was probably a little bit generous on the timing. Oh dear. We used to have proper pizza plates, flat, not curved up like this. Anyway, nearly ready. Just get me drink. So there we go. Pepperoni pizza, cooked Grandad style, like out of a box and into the oven. Yeah, that'll do. If you want to watch me eat it, I'll be doing a mukbang video now, which I'll put on my other channel. Thanks for watching. You'll find more information down in the video description. You might like to watch that video up there, and you might like to subscribe over there.